Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video, we will be showing you how to make a professional portfolio in Canva. Creating a professional portfolio can really be helpful to showcase your work and impress potential clients and employers. So let's get started. Once you're logged into your Canva account, if you haven't signed up for the Canva, I suggest you do. It's very easy to sign up. Also, you can check my video on how to sign up for Canva. I'll leave the link in the description as well, so make sure to check that out. Now here in the search for the portfolio, just click on the portfolio presentations. Just scroll down to find the right template for your portfolio. You can use the A4 size design. If you are a newbie, you can use a single page portfolio. Let's choose any one of these. Here, just click on customize this template. Here, just click on apply 14 pages, or you can select the table of contents from here. For example, let's add this one. Your skills, your education, your experience, and some of the projects that you've done before. Let's start by naming your portfolio. Here, write your name. You can delete this one and also this one as well. Your first page is done. Now let's move on to the second one. Just delete this one, place it right here, and the text here. Just write about yourself. You can add your picture here. Just double click on it and add your text. Once you're done with this, let's change the name here. You can add your designation here. Photographer, and let's move on to the education. You can add the education here. You can delete, but you don't need. Select both of these and place it in the middle. One thing I forgot to mention about, in this picture, if you want to add your own picture, just simply click on upload and here select your file to upload your image. I will use this image and place it right here. I'll also add the photographer in here. Yeah, this looks good now. Our education part is done. Let's move on to the experience. You can add the experience here and write about yourself. And obviously, if you want to add some pictures here, just simply click on elements and here search for the photos. Select the photos. And put your images. And once you're done with this, let's move on to the projects. Here you can add the project with the numbers as well. I'm going to name it as a project 1. Here you can add the freelance. Here you can tell what your project is about. You can add the pictures here. And again, you can add the project here as well. Again, you can add the pictures. These pictures can be anything. You can use your own photos just by clicking on upload and use your photos. For example, I have uploaded this photo before, so I will be using this. And there you have it. And once you are happy with your portfolio, now it's time to save this. Just simply click on File and click on Download. Now from here, select the PDF standard if you want to save it as a PDF. If you want to use the PNG format for the pictures, you can also use this. But I suggest you use the PDF standard form for the documents and emailing. Just simply click here and click on Download. It will take some time to download your portfolio is ready. Just click on it. And here you can scroll down. And there you have it. Your portfolio is now ready. And there you have it. With just few easy simple steps, you have created a professional portfolio that's sure to impress. Don't forget to update your portfolio regularly with your latest work to keep it fresh and up to date. And that's it. If you have any questions regarding this, do let me know in the comment section below. Also, if you like this video, make sure to leave thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.